It also brings the point of whenever I talk to a lot of technologists, they crave for the old days of internet 1.0 when they were running their own mail servers. Everything was on their own infrastructure. As you pointed out, they don't have to go to the cloud for every single thing. In some cases you don't want to go, irrespective of how cheap actually even the cloud prices pile up in respect. So can you once again talk about some of these kind of use cases, which could also be about either security. I mean, you can see with the war going on in Europe, cyber security is also a big issue. It could be data ownership, sovereignty can be a big issue in some cases. So what role can private 5G network play there to bring that experience back to companies who want to own and manage their own instances?
I think you said some really interesting keywords there, and that is companies who want to own this. And with Internet 1.0 and in the beginnings of this, before cloud compute was a thing, you were basically forced into this system of all of your data was stored locally and kept locally. And we migrated everything to the cloud, and that works really well because of just the vast amount of resources and the ability to compute at a high level, to be able to have access to all the information at a relatively high level. But now we're coming back to, we do need some things at the edge, whether it's for, like you said, data sovereignty is a massive thing. We've talked to some manufacturers who, based on their policy, because of competition and other things in their spaces, they can't put anything on the cloud. They have to have everything local to secure their proprietary information. That's just one reason. The other thing is, of course, performance. But what we've done, there are a lot of cases where you're still going to want some level of cloud access. And so what we've delivered is a very edge hybrid cloud compute platform, which we can synchronize from the edge appliance, which is the services, the processors, the resources on the edge of the network in the enterprise. We can synchronize that with a cloud, whether it's a private cloud or a hyperscaler cloud or something of that nature, and we can do all the data synchronization back and forth. So we're not isolating people from the clouds. What we're doing is we're bringing it very, very close to them. So when things are needed to be local, again, whether it's for data security or for access or for performance, we will do that, and we have processes that understand when and how that happens. And then for other situations, we can go request data from the cloud or push the edge data back up to the cloud and do synchronization when it makes sense for the enterprise. So we give a level of control that really is just starting to emerge with a lot of the different edge concepts. And so we're leveraging that pretty strongly.